About short vowel and long vowel. There are 5 short vowels. A makes A sound. E makes A sound. I makes E sound. O makes A sound. U makes A sound. A makes B, at, bat, bat. E makes A sound. B, et, bat, bat. B, it. I makes E sound. Bit, bit. O makes A sound. H, at, hot, hot. U makes A sound. B, at, but, but. Long vowel. Long vowel, when two vowels comes together, it makes A sound, first sound. A, I make sound A. P, A, pen, pen. Two E comes together, it makes E sound. P, E, pill, pill. I, E comes together, it makes I sound. P, I, pie, pie. O, A comes together, it makes O sound. R, O, D, road, road. U, E comes together, it makes U sound. V, N, U, venue. Hope it's useful to you. Thank you for watching this video.